Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a follow button on your profile. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your Facebook application, and once you're in the Facebook application, type on your profile icon settings right here and hit on the gear icon right here. Now this will access your settings, and under the search setting right here, just type on follow like that. And once you type on follow, just go to this who can follow me option right here. Just click on that. And under who can follow me right here, just read on this real quick if you want to. Make sure that it is public right here. Like that. So make sure it's public so your settings have been updated. And to prove it to you that your follow button is now visible, just go to your profile, click on these three dotted lines right here, and view as. So as you can see, a follow button is now visible when someone views your profile. So basically that's it for this video, and I hope you like this. And if you do, be sure to give this a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!